In today's modern business environment, sustainability has become a key concern for many organizations. Companies are now encouraged to operate responsible by reducing their negative impact on the environment. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through green inventory management, which focuses on managing resources efficiency and minimizing waste. By applying green practice in inventory management, companies can not only protect the environment but also improve their operational performance, reduce costs, and enhance their brand reputation.
Good morning. My name is Nurul Adrina binti Ahmad Fairuz. My matric number is 10DLS23F1105. Next, I will talk about the meaning of green inventory management. It refers to managing inventory in an environmentally friendly way. The main purpose is to balance business efficiency while reducing negative effect on the environment. This includes reducing waste, saving energy, and using recyclable or eco-friendly material in packaging and storage. For example, company can avoid keeping too much stock, use energy efficient equipment, recycle or reuse packaging material, and use digital system to reduce paper usage. That's all for me. Thank you.
Companies can apply several green strategies to ensure sustainability in their inventory operation. Firstly is adopt just-in-time system. This reduces excess stock and prevent overproduction, minimizing waste and storage costs. Second is use eco-friendly packaging. Switch to biodegradable or recyclable packaging material to reduce pollution. Third is implement energy efficient warehousing, install LED lights, solar panel or motion sensor to save electricity. Companies can apply several green strategies to ensure sustainability in their inventory operation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aina Balkis binti Abdurrani. Number matric 10DLS 23 F1034. Now I want to explain about benefit of applying green inventory management. Number 1, cost saving. Reducing waste, energy and packaging cost help the company save money in the long run. For example, the company save money by using the less plastic and energy. Number 2, better but public image. Consumer today prefer environmentally responsible brands. By going green, the company can build a positive reputation and attract more customers. For example, customers like the company because it cares about the environment. Number 3, environmental protection. Green green practice reduce pollution, carbon emissions, and landfill waste, protecting nature and public health. For the example, the company helps protect nature by reducing pollutions and waste. Number 4, for the last, improve efficiency. Using digital and automate system leads to faster operations, fewer errors, and better resource control. For example, using computers and machine makes the work faster and more easier. Thank you.
In conclusion, applying green environment practices in inventory management is not only good for the planet but also for the business success. By managing resources wisely, reducing waste, and using eco-friendly technology, companies can achieve sustainability, save costs, and strengthen their image as responsible organization.